Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start the Frostbore fishing event in Hearttopia. So the Frostbore fishing event is officially live in Hearttopia, and it's your only chance to catch the legendary Frostore Whale Shark and earn those exclusive ice carved furniture. So to start in here, you can just talk to Fanya, the fishing mentor, and click on the Frostbore fishing event. And in here, you'll be asked to pay for 2,000 gold. You can just click on confirm to start the event. And if you want to invite others, here you can just do so. Here you can just there will be 10 minutes waiting time if you see at the top. But if you want to start it right away, you can just click on it, click on start now. But if you want to invite others, you can just click on invite. So I've just started the event here, and what you need to do in here, just cast your fishing rod and just wait until those fish caught your rod, and hopefully you'll get the Frostbore legendary catch. And of course there will be some missions that you need to complete, so you need to catch a certain amount of fish. If you have teams, you need to also catch together with your teams. So per personal, you just need to catch 6 fish, but for team goals you need to catch 25 fish. So that's all for me. That's how you can start the Frostbore fishing event. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.